think we might all agree that the best part of a kitchen transformation is the decluttering and organizing process, because what better feeling is there when cooking than to just go directly to the thing that you need and not get frustrated that you can't find it because by now the onions are burning. So now your food isn't going to taste the way you want it. So for the last few months, I've been using the same 3 spatulas and everything else is just good luck. How was I finding anything here? And another thing that's been really annoying me is just like cords on my appliances. Like, y'all know I love a smoothie pretty much every day, but wasn't drinking any, like 0. All because of the cord management. And it's not for lack thereof, because on the bottom is where you can store it. But the convenience of it is so impractical. Like, this is heavy. Flipping it on its side and or turning it over just to get the cord out and then have to feed it through this section to actually use it. Because if it ain't going through that specific section, it doesn't sit level. So this is just a little accommodation that I've made for that. And I do realize this is a real first world problem. It's not really an issue. It's a minor inconvenience that unfortunately I have to address because it's the only way to navigate my ADHD, which would otherwise escalate into avoidance. And that was the easiest part of this process because next we're covering the counters is not enjoyable. So I'm definitely going to need a break. If you saw my last apartment update, you know I established what I call my hydration station because visual cues are my only hope at staying hydrated. So if not for the fact that I started my day doing this project, usually I would start my morning with at least 24 ounces of water and supplements. For the last month though, I started drinking AG1 because it fits into this routine pretty seamlessly. In fact, it actually saves me a step because it is a nutrition supplement in itself. Plus, it includes pre and probiotics, so that's less pills I have to take. I also just got over a cold recently that was particularly not fun. So that was just one incentive to support my immune system. And you know, your overall health is very reliant on balance. Your body craves the same things every day in order to perform at optimum health. So drinking AG1 helps me replenish my intake of nutrients, get in those like vitamins, minerals needed to function better overall. That includes things like digestive enzymes to support digestion and regularity for your gut health. And as someone who doesn't eat meat, of course, B vitamins are really important. So this also contains B12 plus magnesium to support focus and energy. Y'all know I need that one. And personally, I like the taste of it. Like as soon as I open it, the smell alone is very fruity, but tastes like nothing. So thank you again to AG1 for sponsoring this portion of today's video. If you guys want to try it, go to drinkag1.com/abetweene or scan this QR code to get your free welcome kit. That'll include the canister, a shaker, and a year supply of vitamin D3 plus K2, plus 5 travel packs of AG1 as well. And while I was taking an inventory, I realized, I'm really underutilizing this drawer space. So the drawer organizer for my knives didn't make the cut. Because babe, you got 3 knives. 3. Maybe I planned on having more than that when I first bought this, but the reality is I don't. So I decided to hang them on the wall instead. Things that you use frequently should be within arm's length. I took that literally. And somehow for the last 4 years, I have avoided purchasing a toaster because if I wanted toast, I would just do that on the stove or pop it in the oven real quick because why do we need smaller appliances that do the same thing as the big ones that we already own and underutilize? But also, had I wanted a toaster, the holes are not big enough until I found this one because y'all know I love sourdough, right?